to my channel. I'm so sorry for all the noise. My neighbors are doing their siding, and this is the better lighting for when I film. So you're gonna hear music in the background, you're gonna hear people doing all sorts of noise, but I'm so sorry. Welcome back to my channel. It is time. It's that time of the year where we decorate the house for the season. Today we are going to decorate my living room. Super simple, super minimal, and chef kiss. Guys, you guys are going to enjoy it. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. Here I show you how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything you're interested in, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Come on guys, I do not want to take too much of your time. Let's go ahead and let's start decorating. Let's go. Before we do any type of decorating, guys, I have to clean. This is how I clean my house. I remove everything from the surfaces, and then I go ahead and dust and mop and sweep the floor. That's how I clean. But most importantly, the reason why I'm removing everything is to bring in this beautiful new rug, guys. I love it. Do not worry, the rug that was here previously is in my daughter's room. She keeps things pretty clean, so putting that in there will keep the longevity of that rug. But this rug was very inexpensive. I got it from Ross. I'm gonna go ahead and bring back everything, and hubby was home that day, so he helped me bring back the couch. I did not want to move the rug, so having someone else to help you bring it back the couch is perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and put all my stuff back, just blank slate. And now let's decorate, guys. So I'm not sure if it will work because the box look a little small, but I wanted to use a box and put my Christmas tree on top of it. Let's see how that works, because I don't like my Christmas tree being so low, so I wanted to go ahead and elevate it a little bit higher, but I don't think the box is sturdy as well. But let me try and see. So it's working. Obviously I have to fluff it, but it's working so far and it's not moving. And the box, obviously, I'm going to cover it with what is it called? Throw blanket. You don't need to buy a tree skirt. I feel like it's just kind of flat. A throw blanket is a little bit more chunkier, and you utilize what you already have at home, and you don't have to spend extra money. So I truly love the way this year Christmas decoration turned out. Guys, I know I'm not done yet, but I love it. First of all, we added a new addition to our family, which is baby silhouette, which I have 4 stockings now. But these stockings, I will leave everything down below for you guys. It's from Amazon, guys. I love it's so minimal, it's so beautiful. You can use it as contemporary, modern. I really love it, guys. What I was trying to do here was use my Norfolk Real Touch garland. I just didn't like the way it looked, so I used the Walmart one, guys. And you're gonna think something that I got for less than God knows how much will turn out so beautiful, but it turned out so pretty. I have to fluff it, obviously, but oh my god, I love it, guys. So actually, I don't want to add any more garland on top of it here. I love it. I love the acorn. I love the realistic look of it. And I love the fact that it's minimal. I don't want to make it too much. Now I'm going to add something to cover the emptiness right here. Let's do it. So I did this last year as well. I grabbed a cute bowl and I placed some of the ornaments in there, and I love the way it looks like. But I did not like the ornament on the table. I felt like it was fighting with everything else that was on there. So you're going to see me actually rearrange it and change it around, which I actually prefer it that way. There goes the ornament falling down. I was like, oh my God. But what can you do, right? It's real life. So I'm gonna grab it and put it back, and I'm going to rearrange everything here, and I liked it better that way. I just didn't want the table to be so cluttered. That table is not that big. The last thing I want is too much things on the table, but I love the final look of it. This blanket is so heavy and so cozy. Use your own things that you already have and just lay it down here effortlessly. Guys, grab yourself a cup of tea or coffee, even some hot chocolate, if you haven't done so yet, to get you into the mood of decorating. I grabbed myself a cup of tea, coffee, and I love sitting there and decorating. It brings me so much joy. It's the same thing I do when I want to watch other people, especially if you live in a hot climate, like Miami or Georgia, things like that, Texas, where you haven't gotten the cold yet. Guys, grab yourself something that makes you feel warm and fuzzy, and just enjoy this video. So this is my entryway. I do not like to clutter that place. It's very small and I just like to keep it very simple. Now this was my first year of having the nativity. Oh my God, I love the way it looks like. And this candle, it smells so good, guys. It's from Threshold. I love the simplicity. And now we're not done decorating the house, so you're going to see more decor. Stay tuned for that coming up. I'm going to light up all the candles and anything that can fire up this place and make it feel very warm and cozy. Sorry, bear with me, there's a baby here, so you're going to hear some little goos and gas next here. I hope that doesn't bother you. Let's continue. Look at my baby's reaction, guys. They love it. Stay tuned for more videos. We are not done with this room. We're going to decorate it, and we are also going to decorate upstairs. Stay tuned for the entire house tour. Guys, who is excited? Me too. I am here with you. We're going to decorate a tree. We're going to add some ribbon. It's so much gifts. Oh, look at my husband. He walked in and he saw it from over there. He was like, you did a great job. It's so beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate you, God. God bless you guys. To the next one. Bye, y'all.